Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you my updated everyday makeup look. In the summer it was a nightmare for me mostly to wear makeup, actually to wear foundation, because I will sweat like so freaking hard. It was literally a disaster. I couldn't handle to wear any makeup. So I came up, with a few different ways to kind of adapt, to wear a makeup in the summer, something that it will work with my oily complexion and actually with my nerves. So I guess I will show you how you can survive probably the next summer. So like I said, I've tried to keep my makeup as minimal as possible, to not use so many products. So the one thing that really saved my day was to actually go with the same, using my lipstick as well as in as a blush. So I've been using Under the Covers by MAC, and I always went with this as a blush firstly. So I just took a little bit of that here onto my finger. Then I just went here on the cheeks and blended. It gives a beautiful kind of a rosy color, perfect for the summer, even though now we are in fall. But you can wear this makeup look however you like. So I'm gonna go with a little bit more. Now another great product that I totally love, and it was like a savior for me in the summer, it was the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm in the shade number 2. Now this is not a foundation, it's more of a primer that gives you the most incredible glow. Even though, as I said, I have a super oily complexion, especially in the summer, this was amazing. With a little bit of powder on top, I had like the most natural glow ever. It was amazing. Now this is not a foundation, okay? It's more like a I need a brush. So it's more like a primer, highlighter, something like that. But if you find the right shade, because this comes in different shades as well, then you can kind of make it work as a foundation. You get a super light coverage, but I don't know, it looks super flawless, I don't know, it's like the perfect product for someone that doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, I don't know. I think it's a great, amazing product, and I really like it. And I like to go and blend it with a brush. I found that to be the easiest way to do it. And I go as well here over my eyelids. Obviously you can go with your foundation and then with this one on top. It can also work, but as I said, if you don't like to wear a lot of makeup and you don't have a lot to cover, then this product, it will change your life forever. I know it changed mine. It was a lifesaver in the summer. It was like I had nothing on my face, but at the same time a little bit of coverage, a little bit of glowy skin. It was amazing. Okay, so now I will move to my powder. Obviously I have an oily skin, so I have to go with a little bit of powder to save my day. Now the only powder that it will save your day, it will save your skin, it will save your existence, it's this one by Givenchy, Sparkling Lilac. It's just an amazing product. Again, like the Flawless Filter, it gives you a nice glowy finish and it's not powdery, but at the same time it will cover, you know, this greasiness, you know. So what I like to do is actually just with the puff that it comes with, you know, kind of shake it like that, and then comes the product out, and I just go and press mostly here on my forehead. I just love this. Just like that. And then I will go again around my nose and on my chin. Now for my touch-ups throughout the day, when I use this combination of the Flawless Filter with Givenchy powder, it will take around, I don't know, probably 4 to 5 hours before I do my touch-ups. Like I said, this is an amazing combination that will leave your skin so naturally looking, so beautiful, just amazing. If you want to try it, please do it and let me know in the comments below if it's working for you. I really want to know if you guys are you know, trying the stuff that I'm showing you here on this channel. Anyway, now I will move directly to my bronzer, and I'm taking the Film Star Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It comes with a bronzer and a highlighter, and it is a savior again. Gives a natural, beautiful, glowy and bronzy finish, and I like to apply it with the kind of a smaller brush, and I go on my forehead and then here on the highest point of my cheeks, kind of keeping everything, you know, mostly on this part of my face. And now with an even smaller brush, I will take the highlighter and I will go here to the highest points of my cheeks to give a more glowy look. And what is left on my brush, I'll just dust it on my forehead for some natural glow. So I really had to do that. Okay, oh, and by the way, I mean, this is like totally random, but a week ago I got my blood test and I still have this beautiful bruise a week later. I just had to, had to share this one. Anyway, so I am moving now to the eyes, and I will take my MAC 224. I just love this brush. It feels like the best brush for everything. I will go and grab the bronzer, and I will go directly onto my eyelids and diffuse it towards my brow bone. Just want to give beautiful bronzy look that it will match the rest of my face. And I'm gonna go with a little bit under my on my under lashes, I guess. Kind of forgot to speak, but anyway. Now, if you want to make this look a little bit more, dramatic, or maybe for a night out or something like this, you can obviously go with a little bit of, maybe with a black eyeliner, or go with a black eyeshadow and keep the rest of the face super natural. It looks also very well. Just do whatever it pleases you. Okay, so now I will move to my concealer. I know I am doing everything totally random today. I don't know why. So I'm taking this concealer by Lancome, and I will do just a few dots here to my under eye area. Now, I don't know why I forgot to go with the concealer. I don't know why. Okay, this is so weird. Anyway, I'm using a beauty sponge to blend this out. This is like the best concealer ever. It will instantly, kind of highlight this under eye area. It looks so beautiful. And even though I went with the concealer now, I've managed to save my makeup and not ruin it. Okay. Okay, and she saved the day. Thank God. Now I will go for my lashes. Now feel free to do with your lashes whatever you like. Curl them, use mascara, apply false lashes. It's really up to you how you want to do that. For example, I was like in between of mascaras. If you know me, then you probably know that I just love a good brown mascara for an everyday makeup look. It looks so natural. It makes your eyes really bright, really pop, really beautiful, awake, and all of that. And for a good brown mascara, I can suggest this one from the Body Shop. This is a brown one. It's been my all-time favorite, but if you want a black one, I will go with Telescopic from L'Oreal. This is also a hands down mascara, absolutely gorgeous. And this is what I will use for today's makeup look, and I will only go on my upper lashes, because when I go with mascara on the lower lashes, I have the feeling that it will kind of drag my eyes, and I don't really like that. Okay, so mascara is on, and I have the lips as my last step, and I'm taking under Under the Covers lipstick by MAC, and then again with my fingers go all over just to soften it. And this completes the look. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Like I said, I totally love the natural glow that I take by combining these two products. I can totally recommend these two, honestly. It is something that it works amazing if you have an oily complexion, if you sweat a lot like me in the summer. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you like this makeup look, and also if you want to see other makeup looks like this one, something more unnatural, you know, for every day. Just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.